Hey there, English learners! Want to unlock a world of opportunities? Learning English is your key. English is everywhere, like a universal language. It helps you talk to people from all over. Think about travel, jobs, or even just watching your favorite movies. Learning a new language can seem hard. Don't worry, we have easy tips and tricks for you. Let's start this exciting journey to English fluency together. Are you ready? Let's go! Remember, learning English is like a fun adventure. It's about connecting with new people and cultures. So, get ready to explore the world with your newfound English skills. You can do it. Want to learn English fast? Immerse yourself. What does that mean? Surround yourself with English as much as you can. Think of it like swimming. You can't learn to swim just by reading a book, right? You have to jump into the pool. Listen to English music. Watch English movies and TV shows. Even try changing your phone's language to English. It might seem challenging at first, but trust me, it's the best way to learn naturally. Want to speak English confidently? The secret is simple. Talk, talk, talk. Find someone to practice with. A friend, a family member, or even yourself in the mirror. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning something new. The important thing is to keep practicing. The more you speak, the better you'll get. Remember, speaking English is about communicating your thoughts and ideas. Relax, have fun, and let the words flow. Listening is super important for learning English. It helps you understand how English sounds and how words are pronounced. Start with easy things. Listen to podcasts or audiobooks for English learners. Watch English cartoons or children's shows. They use simple language and often speak slowly. As you get better, challenge yourself. Listen to English news, music, or movies with subtitles. Remember, active listening is key. Don't just hear the words, try to understand their meaning and how they're used. Section 5. Read between the lines. Books, your new best friends. Want to expand your vocabulary and grammar? Reading is the answer. Start with books that are interesting and easy to understand. Children's books, comics, or graded readers are great options. Look up new words as you read. Don't worry about understanding every single word. Focus on getting the general meaning of the text. Reading helps you learn new words naturally. It also shows you how English grammar works in real-life situations. Section 6, the right stuff. Grab a pen and express yourself. Writing helps you remember new words and grammar rules. Start by writing simple sentences. Then try writing short paragraphs. You can write about your day, your hobbies, or anything that interests you. A great way to practice writing is to keep a journal. Write a little bit every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The important thing is to practice expressing yourself in writing. Section 7. Tech to the rescue: online tools for English learners. Guess what? Your phone and computer can be amazing tools for learning English. There are tons of apps and websites designed to help you learn English. You can find apps for vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and even apps that connect you with native English speakers for practice. Many of these resources are free, so you don't need to spend a lot of money. Make technology your language learning buddy. Section 8. Finding your tribe, language exchange, and practice partners. One of the best ways to improve your English is to practice with other learners. Look for language exchange groups or online communities where you can connect with people who are also learning English. You can practice speaking with each other, exchange tips, and motivate each other. Remember, learning English is more fun when you do it with others, so find your tribe and start practicing. Section 9. Keep going. You got this. Learning English takes time and effort, but don't give up. Every little step you take brings you closer to fluency. Remember to celebrate your progress and be proud of yourself. Learning a new language is like a marathon, not a sprint. Keep practicing consistently and you'll reach your goal of speaking English confidently and fluently. You can do it. I believe in you. Now go out there and make your English dreams a reality.